Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by naming the memory and rating how intense it feels. That number guides your work. Next, make a short, focused window of time and remove distractions so you can act without interruption. Then record the raw details, what happened, your thoughts, sensations, so you have concrete material. This concrete step is crucial because vague recall keeps emotions alive, while specifics let you change the story. Once done, you'll be ready to apply cognitive tools that alter meaning and reduce shame. You now shift the interpretation. Ask why someone else might view the event kindly, and write 3 alternative explanations. Doing this weakens the automatic cringe by offering new, believable narratives. Then practice brief, controlled exposure. Summon the scene for 30-90 seconds, pause, and do a calming breath. Repeat until the sting lessens. Make sure to label bodily sensations with neutral terms so they stop being evidence of failure. This dual approach, reappraisal plus desensitization, you finish by integrating practice into a short, repeatable routine. 5 minutes daily of gentle recall followed by a positive reframe. Track your wins and note intensity drops. Seeing numbers fall reinforces change. Make sure to pair the work with a rewarding activity so memory recall isn't punishing. If things worsen, intensity spikes, or avoidance increases, pause exposure, lower the detail level, and use simpler reframes or seek a therapist. That troubleshooting move protects progress, while you continue rewiring the memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.